Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are on to Mr. Rafin Beji, an international analyst and public affairs analyst in West Africa and Nigeria, and also a renowned Biafranist. So we are going to look at the recent development news coming from the Wole Soyinka Nobel laureate. He made about some statements, you know. One was on Nnamdi Kanu. He said Nnamdi Kanu detention is illegal, and the Biafra is a movement, that an ideology nobody on this earth can stop, and that Biafra, you know, has already been established. Now, secondly, he talked about the Obi, you know, and the obedience. They don't have a competent team to move Nigeria forward with obedience. All over the world disagree with him. You know, Obi was a former governor. He never had any issue with EFCC. Tinubu was a former governor. He was indicted by Nuhu Ribadu. Talking about, of course, the last of it is we also touch on what happened in Kanu. Sanusi has been removed by Ganduje and was returned back to the throne by Abba Yusuf. You know, and lastly, you know, Obi. Everybody is talking about Obi. What is Obi?
Obi is a movement. Obi is an ideology. Obi is Nigerian youths, you know, ideology is in their hearts. Every youth in Nigeria is singing Obi, Obi. Then I give kudos to what Soyinka said about Biafra. Biafra being an ideology and an idea that was born 57 years ago. Then again on what he says about Nnamdi Kanu's, you know, illegal incarceration at the DSS facilities. It is illegal. It's based on illegality, based on what happened to him when he was renditioned from Nairobi, Kenya to Nigeria. They have no competent court here to try that young man. Then again, let me just streamline my points in regard of what Wole Soyinka said about Biafra. Biafra is a movement. Biafra is a belief. Biafranism has come before anything Nigerianism. Nigerianism was just given birth by a British man, an Englishman, Frederick Lugard, 110 years ago, while 500 years ago Biafra was here before Nigeria. I'm telling you, if you want to doubt me, go and meet people that carve out the world map. I don't know the name they call them, but maybe they are cartographers or whatever. Biafra was in the map here over 500 years before inception of Nigeria. More than that, Biafra was a long time ago issue, long time, even during, if not during the time of Noah. We trace our youth to almost the creation of the world. During the creation of the earth, heaven and the earth, we were there. See, we have come and we must move forward. See, let me tell you, Biafra is an idea there, and I tell you that this old elderly man, Wole Soyinka, he has been in this for a very long time ago. He was jailed and incarcerated because of his belief about Biafra. The statement Wole Soyinka made in 1967 was what orchestrated his arrest, and he was put in confinement for many months before they released him. It was on Biafra. He believed in Biafra. Soyinka solidly, strongly is behind Biafra. He knew that it's an idea that the children of those who first and foremost fought for Biafra war will spring up one day. He said it. It's an idea. Their children, many years to come, they are going to spring up this issue of Biafra. So what is going on is, what should happen is that you should allow them to be. That was what he said 57 years ago. And today, actually, what he said has what emanated. It has sprung up because the children of Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu, the Achuzzias, the man, the second in command to Ojukwu, what is that his name? Efiong. The children, we are the children. We have sprung up this idea again. We have forced up this dead movement. It seemed it was dead in 1970s and 80s, but today, early 90s, it sprang up again. Idea of Biafra. Biafra has come to stay, which was why the first agent of sacrifice, agent of sensitization, Ojukwu, he has come and gone. The second agent listen and listen good, of bringing this information and sensitization to the Igbos is Raf Wole Soyinka. He has come and gone. Now, the agent of sacrifice, his name is MNK, Nnamdi Kanu. He's on course. What he's doing now is to actually actualize the sovereign state of Biafra, and you can see that he's being successful over success. This man has done his work too well with Bido. This man has done his work too well with diplomacy, to the level that the whole world, Biafra is a household name. In Austria, Biafra is a household name. In Scotland, in Britain, even though the British people that killed and maimed and decimated the Igbos in 1967, I'm telling you, Biafra is a household name in the UK. I'm telling you, America is not left out. Everything about Biafra is growing stronger and stronger than ever before in the USA because of whom we are. I could remember during the war, someone at the front of the United Nations Secretariat poured himself gasoline and set himself ablaze. Why? He said, yeah, why are you persecuting those people? Look at the way they are dying, and just mirror the symbol, what their children represents. They are dying of Kwachoko. Why? He set himself ablaze. I learned that the man is an Irish American. He died. Nobody's talking about that now. Look at Tinubu. Nnamdi Kanu is just down there, and the Tinubu that doesn't have certificate is trying to tell the whole world that what Nnamdi Kanu is doing is illegal. Oga, this country called Nigeria, I'm not a Nigerian, I'm a Biafra, and I will never belong to this part of the region because everything going on here is illegal. Tinubu has gone to Chad, yes, to inaugurate the children, a child whose father has been ruling Chad for a very long time. Chad present when I was in primary school was Debbie Idris or somebody, yeah, Debbie. Still, Mohammed Debbie today, the same family is ruling Chad since then. And Tinubu has not seen anything wrong on that. He went that place. Okay, all these people, they have soiled their hands with injustice and the blood, and they can never do anything right again. Tinubu shouldn't have gone that inauguration. It is an illegal inauguration. The family of Debbie is not the only one God has created in Chad to rule Chad. It is illegal. Mohammed Debbie shouldn't be there. That is my own opinion. So come way back to Nigeria here, where the coastal line saga is going on. Coastal line and
Igbo man properties.
Yes, the whole Igbo man properties have been destroyed. They have destroyed.
After destroying it,
landmark
they said they're not going to use it again. That route again. They are trying to navigate again. What is the problem?
Let me tell you, it is injustice, and it's still the same over marginalization of the Igbos going on in southwestern Nigeria. Yoruba man is not happy of the fact that the Igbo man is growing fat and fatter, irrespective of the fact that Awolowo gave us 20 pounds after the war, and you can see the way we are growing, and they are very, very jealous of what is going on. How many of them as my associates and contemporaries here who are trying and campaigning to send DSS? I said, go and send your papa DSS, not only federal government DSS. Some of them in cap now, like vultures. They are going to say DSS will do it. It's a lie. That coastal line, if they destroy Igbo man's property and refuse to carry on with that project, it is injustice of the highest order. Meaning, it is a conspiracy to destroy all the Igbo man's property from Lagos coast to Calabar coast. And they have actually, I think, succeeded. Because when they have abandoned it, what is the need of embarking on it in the first place? If you know you cannot pick it, why are you ditching it out? So, let me tell you, we have all seen it, that Biafra emancipation is here. And there's nothing Nigeria could do about it. Not even United Nations, not even Britain, let alone an unqualified president. A man that just forcefully forced himself on Nigerians and become Nigerian president illegally is going to stop Biafra. Nnamdi Kanu must come out. And let me tell you, the Prime Minister of Nigeria in exile is doing what every intelligent man, young man on this earth should be doing. Agitation for sovereign states of any nation, anywhere in the world, is the rightful, fundamental right of individuals. Are you listening to me? I can start agitating for another entity within Igbo land, and nobody can do anything. I don't know what I understand. So let me tell you, people that are condemning Biafra are afraid of what? Igbo man, and jealous of Igbo man to the last degree. To the level that they know that if we go, immediately we disembark ourselves from this region called Nigeria, the next 5 years, we are going to blow. we will go nuclear. We are going to blow. We will be better than Japan. We are going to blow. Let me tell you, America will be small baby where we are. So here I come today to tell you that what Wole Soyinka said recently, I'm telling you, is trying to at least paint him golden color. Thank you so much.
Thank you.